Hey everyone, I'm Chloe and I'm thrilled to have you here for our yoga session today. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the exclusive content in the link in the right corner or down in the description. Let's kick things off with some gentle stretching and warm-up. We'll start in a comfortable seated position, taking a few deep breaths together. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let's reach our arms overhead and then fold forward to feel that nice stretch in our back. We'll slowly move through some light twists and side stretches, just to wake up the body and get into the flow. Now, we're going to take it up a notch by focusing on our legs while lying on our backs. This part is all about building intensity. We'll engage our core and lift our legs for some dynamic movements. I'll guide you through various poses that challenge your stability and strengthen those muscles. Don't worry if it feels tough at times, just breathe through it. Next, we'll focus on stretching our legs while lying on our backs. This is such a wonderful way to release tension and improve flexibility. I'll show you how to gently pull your legs towards you and explore different stretches. We'll also incorporate some arm movements to open up the shoulders and add a lovely full body stretch. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Keep shining and stretching.